We will see in this class how to modify the properties of an object, modifying from the information contained in the layers to the dimensions and location of the object in the graphic area. To get started, open the file provided in this class. To modify the properties of an object, we must first select the desired object. Some properties for layers can be modified by accessing the options in the Properties panel. Here we can modify the color, thickness and type of the line, as well as the transparency of the object. These properties can also be changed in the Quick Properties palette, accessed by right-clicking the element and selecting this option from the menu. See that here we can modify the layer, color and line type, and we can view the length of the selected line. We close this palette and we will open the Properties palette, which is more complete, providing several options that we can modify. To open the Properties palette, we click this icon in the title bar of the Properties panel. Here we find several fields that can be modified, such as the fields referring to the layers, as we saw earlier. We can also modify the coordinates of the beginning and end points of the geometry. Let's select this arc to see the information that can be modified. See that here we can modify the radius of the arc, its initial and final degree of opening, and the position of the center. We keep this information as it is, and in the Layer Definition field, we will modify it to the invisible layer, C. And so we concluded our class, where we learned to modify the properties of objects.